Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So students, we have covered the topic condensation. Now we will start today water cycle. So you all knows what is water cycle, as it is the process of evaporation, and condensation means evaporation is happening from the water bodies, and so students, evaporation means changing of water into the water vapor form, right? And condensation means the cooling down of water vapor in the water form, right? So students, this takes place continuously in the nature. ये nature में continuously by their own it's go on, right? So this process is called water cycle, right? So water evaporates from what? Lakes, rivers, seas, oceans and other water bodies. So the clouds become what? Heavy, right, with the water vapor. And when it cannot hold any more water, so it falls down as the form of precipitation. It can be in the form of rain, sleet, hail or snow, right? And fill the water bodies again. और फिर से क्या होता है? Water bodies फिर से fill हो जाते हैं, right? Understand what is water cycle? Water from the sea bodies arises above, right, in the atmosphere with the help of sun's heat, and then it forms cloud when they get combined, and then the time it cannot hold more water, it fell down as a rain or hail or snow, right? So this is water cycle. Okay students, now coming to water impurities and their purification. It means what? We should always use neat and clean water, right? We should always use water which is free of germs, right, and any kind of impurities. So we have you must have studied before earlier also, like impurities, it is of two type, but the water in the wells, rivers and lakes, they are not pure and not fit to drink, because it contains what? It contains germs, right? So these impurities we need to remove it before use. So I told you that impurities, it is of two type. One is soluble and the other is insoluble. Soluble are those which get dissolved in the water. For example, we have salt, sugar, right? And insoluble impurities are like sticks, mud, stones, etc., right? So we need to remove the or separate the insoluble impurities from the water. So the first process is sedimentation, and this method is helped to remove sand from water. So what is sedimentation? What we do in this sedimentation? We take a beaker, right, and we pour some sand and water, right, and we keep it for some times, for few hours you can say. So it help in the sand to get settled down, right, as it is heavy, right? So you can see, so sedimentation is what? The process of settling down of heavy insoluble impurities in water is called sedimentation. So you can clearly see the sand get deposited in the bottom part of the water beaker, right? And you can with the process of descentation, we can separate the upper part of the water and the sand, which is bottom of the beaker. We can separate it, right? So this process of separation of the water and the sand is called descentation. Okay students, so next we have is filtration. So what is filtration? You must have seen at home also, like your mother uses strainer means that chhanni, hai na? That you separate the tea from the tea, that grains, right? So but in school laboratories we don't use strainers, we use filter paper, right? So I have already shown you yesterday in the lab that how we use the filter paper, right? And we can separate the insoluble impurities from the filter paper, and we can collect the clean water in the beaker which is kept under the funnel, right? So Also students, you must have seen that underground water, they appear to be clean, but they are not clean. They can have soluble impurities also, right? So how we can, those impurities which is not visible to us, we can remove it by boiling, right? By adding chlorine tablets, by bleaching powder or potassium permanganate, right? But why we use these kind of things? Because to kill the germs in the water and to make it fit to drink. So that's it about your filtration, right students? So we have covered the topic water impurities and their purification. Okay students, meet you in the next session. Okay, thank you.